morning, everybody. I am at Walmart and I'm ready to do some shopping. I don't know what my weekend warrior is. I know I am not gonna hit that other bonus because I need like 30 something bonuses and it's not worth it. So I'm not gonna hit that bonus, but I'm gonna try to do the weekend warrior. Usually it's 15 items. So we're gonna see what is going on, but let's go inside and go some shopping. I am kid free, so I absolutely love that, and I'm not in a hurry. So that's all I'm gonna say, but let's go shopping. Here we have the Mitchum deodorant, the roll-on for $2.97. You guys wanna use a $1 off insert coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You would pay $1.97, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. So we're gonna do the CoverGirl eyebrow pencil. These are $4.44. We have a $3 off insert coupon that you guys can get from our past Sunday's inserts. So you'll end up paying just $1.44, but then there is a $2 rebate with a limit of 3, where it ends up becoming a 56-cent moneymaker. So I'm actually gonna buy 3 of them because that's a great moneymaker, so I can use it for my other purchases. Here we got the degree bar for $2.97. You guys want to use a printable $1 off coupon, otherwise there is a digital coupon from the coupons.com that you guys can use that. Anyways, you'll pay either $2.97 or with the coupon you'll pay $1.97. But with Ibotta you get $1 back, making this bar of soap just 97 cents. My husband actually kind of likes this soap. Here we have the laundry detergent for $2.97. We do have a $1.50 off insert coupon that we got from this past Sunday. So you'll end up paying just $1.47, but I have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making your final price for this just 72 cents. Here we have the Mountain Dew Rise for $1.98. You want to pay $1.98, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making these 98 cents. Now there is a deal in Fetch Rewards, but it's for gas stations only, not big grocery stores. Here we have the Daisy cottage cheese for $1.38. You'd pay $1.38, but then there's a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just 88 cents if you want to do that deal. Hello everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. So like I said, I needed 15 rebates to get the weekend warrior. Yeah, my store didn't have the items that I wanted. I didn't have the Ibotta rebates that some people have been telling me about, or my store didn't have hardly anything that I wanted. I have like probably 15 items on here, and my store was sold out on a lot of stuff. So I don't know. It's kind of a sad haul, but that's okay. I still wanted to get some deals for you guys, but hopefully November's a better deal, because it's like, I don't know, I've been kind of just sad, but it's okay, because like for a while there I was going crazy, and then now it's kind of nice. I'm not used to going this less on Walmart Ibotta hauls, but let's just dig in. You guys, my haul is just all in one bag. I know. But anyways, I got this. My husband really likes it. It's the Mountain Dew Rise. This was $1.98. You'd pay $1.98 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 98 cents. So we got that. I ended up getting the all laundry detergent. This was $2.97. I used a $1.50 off insert coupon. You'd pay $1.47 for this, but then there is a 75-cent rebate, making this just 72 cents. The next deal I got is the Mitchum women's deodorant. Now this was $2.97. The men's was $4 something for the same exact size, but this was $2.97. I used a $1 off insert coupon, and then you'd pay $1.97 for this, but then you get $1 back with Ibotta, making this just 97 cents if you guys need to go ahead and do that. I did 3 of the CoverGirl eyebrow pencils or whatever. These were $4.44. I used $3 off coupons for these. You'd pay $1.44, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 3, making these each a 56-cent moneymaker. So pretty excited for that. And then I ended up getting the degree bar. Again, this was, why am I saying again? This was $2.97. I used a $1 off printable coupon from coupons.com. Otherwise, there is a coupons.com offer that you guys can submit to. But you'd pay $1.97, and then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. And then this is something I'm surprised my store had. It is the Daisy cottage cheese with strawberries. I'm not a strawberry person, but my daughter is, and I love cottage cheese, so we'll see how this goes. But this was $1.38. you'd pay $1.38 for this, but then there's a 50-cent rebate for this, making it just 88 cents. And I saw that there was a pineapple taste, and I can't remember the third one. I don't remember it, but yeah, you guys, that was my haul. Kind of sad, but that's fine. I think there's not a lot of deals going on with number one because of the economy. I've noticed a ton of prices have just skyrocketed up. I mean, I was looking at cheese and they wanted like $5 and I used to pay like $2 for it. So, I mean, stuff's just going up. It's crazy. So, that's another thing. While there's probably, you know, places that are hurting, that's why there's not like a lot of hot Ibotta deals, just because of certain things like that. But my total came to $13.09. I ended up receiving $10.25 back with Ibotta. I ended up getting like 6 or 7 rebates, I know. But my total ended up becoming $2.84, or just 35 cents each. I got 8 items. Well, I guess the cover go, yeah. So, not the greatest haul, but I am still happy with what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul, but that's okay. I'm hoping November starts off with a bang. I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.